the desire to communicate with some people like foreigners, like Indian native speaker and British native speaker who speaks English. And actually, always I communicate with them. And I think it makes me uh, more confidential, and it's teach me a lot of new things.
Okay. So it's very challenging to find out someone in our family members who doesn't assist us to gain the knowledge of English. So who helps you or encourages you or motivates you to gain the knowledge of English in your family members?
Okay, my father is a teacher, and also my mother is a teacher. You can say me. Uh, my father and mother, they both actually helps me to learn English, and they always motivated to me, and they always say to me, if you work hard, you can prosper in life. That's it.
Okay. So who is most supportive if you make any comparison between your mother and father?
Obviously, my mother.
When was the last time your mother made an advice for you?
It's half an hour ago. My mother makes me and sentence, and I think it's a most important sentence for me. My
What was the
mother was saying, if you work hard, you can prosper in life. She was saying it by English. If you work hard, you can prosper in life. So I think when I say it, I think when I say it to you, with you, I feel very proud and great because my mother is a teacher. So in this era, I see there's some little number of mother who are illiterate, and there are most of the mother in our country. And if I think in our worldwide, there are some of the uh, literate people.
Okay. So do you have any friends who is very confidential or trusted, whom you believe the most?
Yeah, I have some friends like you and some other.
Okay. A significant number of people in Bangladesh have been trying to learn English, watching some videos from Facebook or YouTube. So how do you develop yourself in English?
The desire to communicate with foreigners and some people like EU, and many other people like Indian native speaker who speaks English, and British people, etc. And almost 1 year ago, it was 2024, the January, I created a schedule where you can see my all feedbacks. And while I watching this, it inspires me. That's it.
Okay. So do you have any YouTube channel which you love the most to watch?
Yeah, like IELTS Advantage and TEDx, etc.
Okay. So you won't be able to find out a people in the world who doesn't have any dream. So what's your dream in your life for the future?
Mm, I think an aimless person is like a ship without a rudder in the sea, and I have an aim. And in this era, you can see a man's life, a lot of them. He has a lot of dream, and my dream is to inspire people, and by providing helpful and meaningful, etc. And my um, actual dream is to be a businessman.
Okay.